In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Sprout Social. Whether you're managing social media for a business or simply looking to organize your digital presence more effectively, linking your Instagram to Sprout Social is a great way to streamline your workflow. Now, let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other reliable browser. They should all work just fine for this task. Next, head to your search engine of choice and type in Sprout Social. This will bring up the main Sprout Social website where you can either sign in or sign up. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. Otherwise, just sign in to proceed to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look around your account dashboard to locate the option to connect a new profile. This is typically found in your account settings or marked with a plus icon. Explore these settings until you see the option to add a new social network. After finding the right menu, go ahead and select Instagram as the social network you want to connect. You might see several options, but choose Instagram to ensure you link the correct profile. Now, this is an important step where you'll need to decide on the Instagram profile type you want to connect: personal, creator, or business. Each type offers different features and tools, so think about how you use Instagram and choose accordingly. For instance, a business profile is ideal if you're managing a brand or company account, while a creator profile is often suited for influencers or content creators. After selecting your profile type, Sprout Social will redirect you to Instagram. Here, you'll be required to log in and authorize access. This step is crucial as it allows Sprout Social to manage and access your profile data, such as your Instagram feed, posts, and analytics. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions for Sprout Social when prompted. Don't worry. Sprout Social is a trusted platform, and authorizing access just means you're allowing it to link up with your account to perform its functions. Once the authorization is complete, you'll notice Sprout Social will automatically refresh, and voila! Your Instagram account will now be successfully added and ready to manage from within Sprout Social. You can now schedule posts, monitor analytics, and engage with your audience more efficiently, all from one dashboard. And there you have it. With your Instagram successfully connected to Sprout Social, you're now empowered to make the most of your social media management with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips on managing your online presence.